Techniques to operate a reach truck. Reach trucks are forklifts used in narrow aisle applications like warehouses. They have two outer legs which can help distribute the load and a single set of wheels in the back. It allows operators to navigate easily in and out of narrow aisles and reach significant heights while maintaining lifting capacity. Drive the forklift forward toward the stack. Reach for the mast out to accurately position the load on the racking. Lower the stack onto the racking with caution, making sure the forks are free and level. Return the mast to its original position. Reverse away from the stack, ensure that the forks are free and low. Then, reverse out. Apply the handbrake when the forks are about 15 centimeters, 6 inches away from the stack. Lower the forks to the travel position. Lower the forks to about 10 centimeters, 4 inches, from the floor and apply with the rear tilt. Before driving away, take another look around.